Friends, in this lecture we will going to create this model, and here we have some views. This is my top view and one sectional side view, another view, and one another side view. So this will be the front view. So this is front view, one side view, another side view, and that is the back view. So first of all I am going to create from this front view. यहाँ से ही start करेंगे और इसका properly view you can see here. See this 46 is the radius from here. So first of all I am going to create this profile जो कि आपको यहाँ पे दिख रही है, और उसके बाद I will create this arc, this upper one. So this is the upper one arc. So let's start with the NX, then we will see. So this is the model what I'm going to create with the help of this view. So start with the sketcher, and I'm starting with this XY, and I'm going to hide this navigator and create a circle, and circle is here, draw it, and the dimension of this circle is 21 radius, and select this and make it constant, and I'm going to mirror it with respect to x-axis, and my axis is this x. Okay, now double click here, and 21 is the radius, so 42 will be the diameter, and the 60 is the distance between these two. So one side it will 30, and I need one more arc, so zoom it, and I'm starting from here to here, click, same here, right, and select this arc and this circle, make them tangential, same for this, make it tangential, right, and this dimension is, you can see, this 46 radius, so change it to 46 and 46 for this one, right, and trim, cut it and finish. Extrude it, select this, the whole, and the height is 30. Okay, or this 30, enter the value 30, then we will see value will come, the exactly the height will come from this arc. So I'm going to create inner, it is 67 and outside it is 70. So I'm starting from here to this, sorry, I don't want this line, I want a arc. So this is the arc, right, and click it and click this axis, make them constant, and the distance is 21 plus 21, 42 plus 60 is 84, 60 plus 42, so 42 plus 60 is 102, and the radius is 70. So double click here और इसको कर देते हैं 17, राइट, और इसकी पोजीशन के लिए what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a circle. This is circle, so from the this circle, this outer circle is 26, so draw a 26, and this center and this gap, we know this gap, so click and draw a circle, and this circle is 26 dia. Okay, and the distance from here to this is 30 minus 13, 30 minus 13, right, this is a gap. Now select it is 26, it is also right, and select this arc and this arc, make them tangential, Okay, and this line I'm going to make this line as a reference. It is moving here and there, so select this and select this origin, align vertically, click it on this axis, constant. Right, my sketch is fully consistent, so exit, and this time I am going to cut it. So extrude this single curve, and that is this curve. Okay, and symmetrically both side, and I'm going to use open, subtract, reverse direction, and apply. Right, this is the shape. Now this upper portion. Now I'm going to create one plane on 30, offset from the bottom, so this is the bottom and the 30 is of the distance. Now select this plane, and here I am going to create two circle and zoom it, change the shading, this circle and this outer circle, make them constant. No, it is not properly. So first this point and this point, right, it is constant. Now change the dimension. Here it is, inner is 22 and 28 is outer one. 28 is outer one. Now mirror it, exit, change shading and extrude this and this, reverse the direction. I can select up to next or unite, whatever you want. Okay, so until next and apply. Right, now for this one, this side, for side it is 21, and select datum plane and create another plane at 21, sketch and draw another circle from the side. So this is the side. I have already created this, okay, but it is not visible here. So just delete and change the constraint. I'm going to project this single curve, right, and another circle is there, and the dimension of this inner one is 16. Okay, 16 and 26, 10 is the difference, so this is 10 thick. Okay, so exit and shading on, and first I'm going to apply this draft, and the thickness is 3, so select this one more and this bottom one, and okay, now extrude. I'm going to extrude this one on the reverse side, and until next apply again this smaller one in reverse direction, and this time I want to subtract it a little bit lesser, and apply and cancel series. And from this navigator I'm going to mirror these two, mirror feature, and my reference plane is this. Okay, right, my sketch is now, my model is almost complete. just one thing is remain, is fill it. So hide all the sketches, zoom it and select this. Here it is 5, so select this, apply, and here it is 3, so change to 3, this one, and this one, 3, apply, and here also it is 3, so select this and this, apply, it is 3, and inners it is 2, so select this, and this time thickness is the radius is 2. Now let's see the dimension and we will match it. 70 we have already taken, 3 I have specified here, 5 already specified, these two dimension, and this dimension, this dimension I have used all this dimension will come automatically just because of thickness. When I have shared it to 70 and the thickness is 3, so 67 it will come. So this is the model. If you want to apply any material you can apply, or here we have view, we can use this, or from the view visualization, material in part, or studio task, and from material plastic I want to apply this material here, and in render ray trace studio. Okay, so this is the way how we can create this model. So thank you for watching.